Biological composition of protoplasm. Approximately 25 elements out of 92 naturally occurring elements of Earth are found in living beings. These are called bioelements. Human body is composed of only 16 of these bioelements. The 6 commonest bioelements that constitute 99% of protoplasm are called major bioelements. Minor elements are those that are found as less than 1% of the protoplasm. Those elements which are found less than 0.01% in the protoplasm is called trace elements. Some trace elements such as iron needed by all forms of life. The bioelements are combined with each other and can form thousands of different biomolecules which may be inorganic as water and minerals and organic as carbohydrates, lipids, protein and the 4 fundamental kinds of biological molecules are carbohydrates, protein, lipids, and nucleic acids. Carbohydrates are present in the cytoplasm of the cells and provide fuel for the metabolic activities of the cell. Proteins are present in the membranes, ribosomes, cytoskeleton, and enzymes of the cell. Lipids are present in the membranes and cytoplasm of the cell. Lipids provide a reserved energy source, shape, protect, and insulate the cells. The nucleic acid DNA is present in the chromosome. It controls cell activity. The nucleic acid RNA is present in the nucleoplasm and cytoplasm. It takes genetic information from DNA and play role in protein synthesis. Thanks for watching.